In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and configure the attendance activity in Moodle. By the end, you'll know how to add the attendance activity to your course, set up the status options to match your policies, and, if you choose, let students mark their own attendance using a password or QR code. Start by turning on editing in your course. This enables the controls you need to make changes on your course page. Once editing is on, look for the option to add an activity or resource in the section where you want attendance to live. Click that, then choose attendance from the list. Give the activity a clear, recognizable name, something like class attendance or weekly attendance, so students can find it easily. After naming it, save your changes. At this point, the attendance activity is added to your course and ready for setup. Next, open the attendance activity and head to the settings or the status set area. Here you'll see default statuses such as present, absent, late, and excused. These cover most scenarios, but you're free to edit them to match your course policies. You can rename a status, adjust its description, or add a new one if you use a category like remote present or participated asynchronously. Keep labels short and clear so they display well for both you and your students. If you want attendance to count toward grades, you can optionally assign points to each status. For example, present might be full credit, late could be partial credit, and absent 0. These points will flow into your gradebook, so think about how they align with your syllabus. Consistency is key. Once you set points, communicate what each status means so there are no surprises. There's also an optional way to streamline check-in by letting students mark themselves. You can enable student self-marking and share a session password or display a QR code during class. Students enter the session, provide the password or scan the code, and then choose their status, like present. This can save time, especially in large classes. To keep things fair, share the code only during the session and avoid posting it publicly. Consider changing codes each meeting and reminding students that self-marking is subject to review. That's it. You've added the attendance activity, customized the status options, and, if you choose, enabled student self-marking. With these settings in place, attendance becomes faster, clearer, and easier to manage for everyone.